So, hello and welcome everyone to our Mechanical 12 Plus linkup series. So, today I'm going to explain you the code for the color recognition model. Alright then. So, before we start, I've already placed these blocks so it gives me more time to give out my explanations. Alright. Firstly, from start, I've written loop start. Okay, so my loop is there and I've done it to infinite times. So my loop will run non-stop. And secondly, I have written compare start. So we are using IR sensor and I have put this sign to as less than, and this value could be anywhere between. So accordingly, I've tested and I think the value should be around 160. Okay, so actually, there is no code that in general is perfect for all your models and works. You have to customize it according to yourself. I am just explaining you the logic behind this, alright? So, from here comparison, we go to compare start. Okay, if the value is true, then I go to motor 1, which goes out into motor 2. And both these motors have to stop. Okay, so I have M1 and this motor is stopping. Same goes with motor 2. Okay, this is when the condition is true, that is an obstacle is detected. Obstacle, or we can say a black color is detected, that is black tape, that is a line for the robot as well. So we have to display here a text message. This is sensor S1 and we have to write the text message as black. Now moving on, we have to wait for about 2 seconds. Okay, so here this is, I'm selecting the time as 2 seconds. Now if the condition is false, then I have to move my motors to another spot. So I'm selecting this as motor M1 and this direction, and I'm giving it full throttle. So in a similar manner, I have my motor M2 and I'm moving in the same direction to move my motor forward, and I'm giving it full throttle as well. Now display me, we have to write sensor S1 and text message is white. Okay, so if my motors are moving, that is my robot is moving, that is the object is white. Okay, so now this weight goes out to my motor M1. Okay, so I have to wait for 2 seconds and then again my motor should start. So this is M1 and I'm giving it again full throttle. This is my motor M2 and again I'm giving it full throttle. So now this comes in here. From out, this motor is connected to the in part, and then again we wait for about 2 seconds, okay, for the system to process this information. So now we write time is seconds and it is 2 seconds. So here this true part goes into my motor 1, out goes to in, out goes to in. I have already displayed what the value is, and so this was on the true part perfect. So this was on the false part. So this is connected to the false part, and my second situation was on the true part. So this is connected to my true part, and now my comparison ends. And last, my white loop ends as well. That is the loop that I started should end as okay. So this should be okay. So this is how my loop is going to work. So my robot moves, check if the color is white or black, and it displays it on the screen as well. And if the color is white, it keeps moving on. We have a delay of about 2 seconds. And if the condition is false, then it keeps moving. As soon as the condition is matched, it stops, wait for 2 seconds, and then moves up. So this is the loop. I hope you understood how this code is working. It is pretty simple. We don't have to write any backend commands. They are already written. We just have to place these blocks in the correct line. So I hope you understood today's code and like the video.